In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield V not launching on PC. So first open Steam, then find the game. I'll do this for this game, follow same steps for Battlefield. Right click on Battlefield, properties, install files, then verify integrity of game files. Next, once it's done, go to browse, then find battlefield.exe. Right click, properties, compatibility, and then disable, and then run this program. Then click apply and OK. After that, you can close this down, then close this down. Next, go to settings, and then time, date and time. Make sure this is turned on. Make sure your settings look the same as my settings. Just make keep an eye on this. Make sure this is as same as your time zone. So if you're living in, let's say, Mexico or something, make sure you set this to your appropriate time zone. You can actually just go to Google here. So let me just close this down. So you can go here to Google and then just type what is my time zone, and whatever information you get here, this is your time zone. So you want to make sure you set this information to your time zone, and you have your time zone set here. And then once you scroll down, you will see a sync now option. Make sure once you're done doing all of these settings, click sync now to sync. Then next you want to go here and then type in run, type %temp%, then select all of these folders and then right click and then delete. After that, you want to close this down. Next, you want to check if the game is running. So see if your issue has been fixed. See if you're still experiencing crashing. If you are, then I suggest going to task manager and then just disabling any game. So exit any game or launcher you're running. As you can see, there's Steam here. I can just exit it by clicking end task. Exit any game or launcher, and you want to make sure you don't have too many launchers running at the same time. So here I'll exit Steam. And once you exit all the games and launchers, you want to try to reopen it and see if it works. Now, if it doesn't work, then I recommend trying to reinstall the game. So if you go to library and go to Battlefield, you'll see a option to uninstall. So try to uninstall the game, then reinstall it, and this should fix it.